Hi, I'm Jennifer Hoffman with InSync Training.
And I'm Felice Banner with InSync Training.
Felice is the curator of our new InSync Blended Learning Hub, and we're going to be working together at the eLearning Guild Learning Solutions Conference in Orlando coming up on March 21st. We're doing a pre-conference called Modern Blended Learning, how to create this experience. How do you create an experience for modern blended learning, Felice?
Well, I think that we need to take a lot of things into account, right? And our blend is about giving our learners different ways to access content, different ways to engage with each other, right? I always talk about content interaction and assessment and creating a learning pathway that folks can move along. I think what's really cool about the way that we're working now is finding this role of curator and what curation, the role that curation plays in blended learning.
I also think we're also starting to talk about what we're calling perpetual learning, that we're always learning all the time. So as learning and development professionals, we can become more relevant and stay relevant by helping to manage what people are learning all the time. Let's become the Google of learning. So people come to learning and development even in their informal moments of learning need.
And I think what's really important is, as developers of modern blended learning, we need to find ways to nourish ourselves. And so I learn by doing. So every time I'm, creating a new blended learning environment experience, it's a perpetual learning experience for me because I'm learning by doing. And if you're going to keep doing the same old thing, you're not going to learn and you're not nourishing yourself.
And there's so many topics with blended learning. There's technology, there's the future trends, there's the business and managing our learners and what their new needs are. It's hard for us all to keep up. Do you know the difference between gamification and how that works in a virtual classroom in a social collaborative way? Well, probably not. But how do we get there is the question.
Yeah, and what's important to keep in mind is how do we immerse our learners, right? We can't talk about perpetual learning or creating modern blended experiences without talking about ways to immerse our learners. And it's not about engagement anymore. It's really about immersion, and immersion in that perpetual learning space where we're open to learning from anything, right?
And immersion is a type of engagement, but it's a constant engagement.
Yeah.
It's all the time, not just when we're up here talking to you.
So we hope you can join us at the eLearning Guild Learning Solutions Conference. Come to our workshop.
Yep, it's on Tuesday, the March 21st. You have to pre-register for that. So we'll see you there, and we'll see you at the conference.
And we're going to show you how you can think differently about blended learning.